take AC from here into this adapter, get the AC in, then take DC from the adapter into the machine. This is the Bluetooth card here, and from here you get the left, the right, and the grounding. You see where I ground it. So originally the Philips has its USB, but it's very difficult to play without the remote. You won't be able to. And this device enables USB also, so I had to run this USB to this one here. USB here. That's this place, and like this, it's set. I bring out the sensor. You can see the tiny wires to this place, and the machine is going home with a Bluetooth device installed, and the person will be using it like 2026 model sound system.